All right, well, let's give this a shot.
Okay.
Oh, we got a plane flying. Let's let it. Wow. But it's only 75.
Oh, it just feels
the
warm.
humidity. Hello everyone, welcome to The World According to Jason. Once again, I'm joined by my beautiful sister, Jamie, aka Durr, and we are in the not so sunny Miami, Florida, and we're here to try out some amazing key lime pie. So the other day we went to explore the Florida Keys, and when we were in Key Largo, we found a place called the Key Lime Pie Factory. And we figured if it's a Key Lime Pie Factory, they probably make some pretty good key lime pies. So we made a stop and we picked up a whole pie. And I think the whole pie cost was 25 bucks or so, wasn't
Yes.
it? And you could also buy it by the slice, and they had 3 different varieties. They had one with whipped cream around it, they had a plain one, which was a little cheaper, and then they had one with meringue on it. And apparently I'm the only one in the family that likes meringue, so we got the whipped cream variety. But I did cheat, and I bought a slice of the meringue topped key lime pie, and it was fantabulous. So I have nothing but the highest of hopes for this. So this was like the first time down to the Keys for me, and it was my first time trying like a legit key lime pie, because I've had them in other states and other countries, and I never knew if it was the right thing. So we're gonna taste this and see how it should taste.
Yes.
So Jamie, have you had a official key lime pie before?
Not official key lime pie. I've made key lime pie, and it took me forever to squeeze all the little key limes. So I like to buy it rather than make it.
Yeah, well, I'm in that camp too, because I would probably butcher it if I tried to make it. All right, so let's go ahead and try this key lime pie.
Okay.
And I love how the fork just slides through it like it's just a cloud. Oh, you already went in. No, she didn't even cheers me.
Cheers. That is really good though. It's very like smooth. I've never had one this smooth before.
It's smooth as silk, and it's super tart. I love it. I love citrus flavored things and just citrus in general. And this is just like, it's really, really, really tart and not too sweet.
No, I like the whipped cream with it because it breaks up the tartness a little bit.
Let's try that.
It gives it a little bit of sweetness.
A little bit of sweetness. And then the pie crust is really good too. It's very
really
thin,
good.
but it's really good.
Buttery. Very delicious.
It is good with the whipped cream. Wow. Does this beat any other key lime pie you've ever had?
Beats every key lime pie I've ever had.
I would have to agree.
The consistency, I don't know what it is about it, but it's better than anything. It's not as, sometimes you get them and they're like a little dry.
A little jello-y?
Yeah, I don't know. This is just like pudding.
Yeah, it's like key lime pudding pie. It is so good. And I think if anyone comes down to Miami, just take a half a day, go down to Key Largo, and you can explore some of the other keys. They have festivals from now and then. We went to a seafood festival. It had more arts and crafts than seafood. But on the way back is where we stopped and picked this up. So it's totally worth the trip, in my opinion, if you're down here in Miami. I would have to say this is the best key lime pie I've ever had. I'm going to give it a 10 out of 10.
I will as well. Yeah, 10 out of 10.
It is perfect.
Haven't had better.
Well, Jamie, thanks for joining me for this epic adventure of key lime pie taste testing.
Thanks for having me. It was fun.
And stay tuned for more. We'll be going to, we'll probably do 1 or 2 restaurant reviews while we're down here. It is vacation, so I'm trying not to drag these guys through too many film shoots so they don't want to murder me, and I'll get invited on future vacations. So thank you so much for sticking around to the end, and make sure, if you are not already subscribed, to hit that subscribe button, hit the bell notification, so as soon as new videos pop up, you'll be the first to know about them. Thanks for sticking around to the end, and until next time, stay curious.